Hey guys, do you want to experience Swiggy food on train with flat 100 off? Interested? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. Ab kaise ho? Nalla irkingla. As you see here, while we were waiting for Swiggy food at the station, all of a sudden, Swiggy food executive hops onto the train, comes to our seat, and delivers food on time. So this is South Indian thali, and you can get flat 100 off on your food order. And let me tell you, if the food is not delivered on time, 100% refund is available, so you need not worry, you can go for it. So here comes the South Indian thali. You have two thalis, South Indian thali and North Indian thali. Apart from this, let me tell you, 99 store is open, and also you can get snacks, breakfast items, and all other food stuff like burger, pizza, sweets, whatever you want. Okay, this South Indian thali costed 140 rupees, and let me tell you, it is far better than IRTC or railways food you have. You can see my video that I have posted, which costs 100 rupees of a small box, which is not sufficient even for two little children. Anyways, you can have this paratha at 39 rupees with kurma. Here is rice served with a curry, sambar, buttermilk, and a fry. You can get papad as well. So you can enjoy happy, healthy, square meal on train with Swiggy food. Anyways, now we'll go check out as how to order Swiggy food on train. As you see in the picture, you can go to Swiggy, tap on food, and here free cash is auto applied at checkout. Here you can see flat 100 off. You can tap on that. Otherwise, you can go down. Check with more on Swiggy. As you see here, food on train option is available. You can tap on that. Once you tap on that, this kind of screen appears before you. Give your PNR number. Let me tell you, when you book your tickets, that means the train tickets, you'll have a PNR number which is alphanumeric of 10 characters. You can enter that as shown in the video and click on verify. Once you click on verify, you will see the stations where Swiggy food would be delivered. So you can tap on any station on which you want Swiggy food to be delivered. Here I have chose Gudur. For me it is nearest. Once you tap on the station, given the search bar of the food stuff you want or the items you want. Otherwise, you can scroll down and check with the restaurants. You have items starting at 39 rupees as well. As I told earlier, parota is at 39 rupees, and pizza, burger, or any other food stuff you want, you can go check out. Okay, you can go for South Indian or North Indian thalis to have sumptuous meals. As shown in the video, you can add to the cart from 99 rupees store as well. Here I have added 39 rupees parota to my cart. After adding all the food stuff or food items to the cart, go to view cart. Once you go to view cart, here Swiggy one at rupee 1 shows up for me. Therefore, I have added it to my cart. If you don't want, you can skip for later. And now a phone number is displayed over here. Make sure it is correct because the delivery executive will call on this number while delivering food to you. And the train coach number and the seat number would be shown up. Please do check. Once you check with these, come down and apply the coupon. After applying the coupon, you can get back. You can tap on pay and apply the payment offers. Here IDFC 100 points can be used as shown in the video. Otherwise, you can go for pay using other methods. When you tap on that, few more online methods or modes would be available for you. Here I used Paytm. to make payment, as cashback offer is available on Paytm. That's done. Your order is placed, and here you can track your order. You can tap on the coupon as shown in the picture. Here I have got lens card coupon. You can use it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.